everyone, how are you all guys? Today I'm going to share the 8 must visit places in Dubai. This video is based on my personal experience. There are also a lot more activities in Dubai, but these are the activities which I have personally experienced and I have enjoyed a lot. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get notified on all my videos. Okay guys, here we go! Global Village Dubai is located on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Dubai. Here you can enjoy the culture of over 90 countries at one place. This festival brings cultures together as visitors discover different parts of the world in just a few hours. There are countless games and thrilling rides at the region's largest fun fair. The entry ticket for the Global Village is 15 dirhams. Global Village operating seasons usually starts in November and ends in April of the following year. Global Village timings are from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. except for Thursday and Friday where it is open from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. A visit to Dubai is incomplete without going on a cruise, a top experience in the city. The best part of going for a cruise in Dubai is that you have the added benefit of indulging in some delicious dinner. And you will also be entertained by local performing artists. Enjoy the on-site entertainment like live music, tanora dance, puppet shows and more. Laguna Water Park can be a great addition to the itinerary. There are lots of interesting rides and slides at the Laguna Water Park and other sports activities as well. You can also hop on a 180-degree wave machine. If you want to experience something incredible, don't forget to check out this ride. The Infinity Pool Lounge is another best activity in this water park. Apart from this, you can also relax at the cabanas. The ticket of the cabana is 995 dirham and each cabana can accommodate up to 4 people. Entry fees for Laguna Water Park is 159 dirhams for non-UAE residents and 99 dirhams for UAE residents. Kids under the age of 2 have free entry. Timings of the Laguna Water Park are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ski Dubai is the world's third largest indoor ski resort. It is located inside the Mall of the Emirates, one of the most popular shopping malls in Dubai. There are lots of fun-filled activities in Ski Dubai like skiing on the slopes, exploring the snow park and meeting the penguins. The Ski Dubai ticket price changes based on the activity chosen. It ranges between dirhams 190 to 1400 dirhams depending on what you would like to do. Ski Dubai timings are from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. except every Thursday where they are open till 12 a.m. They operate from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. every Friday and from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. on every Saturday. Dubai Desert Safari is a superlative attraction in the Arabian Desert. This tour has something for everyone, such as red dune safari, camel riding, sandboarding, henna art and desert sunset, as well as live belly dance and fire dance shows. It also offers a barbecue buffet dinner. You can visit Dubai Desert Safari in the morning, evening or you can do an overnight stay over there. The morning timings are from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. The evening timings are from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and the overnight timings are from 4 p.m. to 9 a.m. There are various packages for Desert Safari starting from 40 dirhams and you can also get seasonal discounts as well. The Dubai Mall is a shopping mall in Dubai. It is the largest mall in the world. It is located next to Burj Khalifa. It features one of the world's largest aquarium and underwater zoo. The Dubai Fountain is the world's largest musical fountain and the city's most popular free tourist attraction located between Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa. There is a waterfall inside the mall and that's not the only special part. It's an illusion waterfall. There are statues that are diving from the waterfall and if you stare at one, the others disappear. It has the world's largest candy store, Candelicious. The timings of the mall are from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. from Thursday to Saturday and from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. from Sunday to Wednesday. The Green Planet is Dubai's very own tropical rainforest. It aims to educate guests about the important role the tropical forest plays in the future of our planet. The Green Planet exposes Dubai to another world within its glass dome. The ticket price is 75 dirhams and timings are from 10 am to 6 pm all days of the week. Ibn Battuta Mall is one of the largest themed malls in the world. This mall houses 270 stores, 50 restaurants, play zone for children, luxury hotels, a 21-screen cinema. It is built in the memory of a Moroccan scholar, Ibn Battuta, known for his intensive travels. The timings of the malls are from 10 am to 10 pm.